Okay, in question 3 of this exercise, the problem statement says a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. So profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So let me repeat the problem again. The shopkeeper buys a total of 80 articles for 2400 rupees and sells these articles for a profit of 16%. We have to find the selling price of one article. So there are two slightly different approaches to solve this problem, and as always, let me show you both approaches. In the first approach, we will find the cost price of one article and then the selling price of one article. In the second approach, we will find the cost price and hence the selling price of all the articles, and from there we will find the selling price of one article. So let's start with approach 1. So we have the cost price of 80 articles. The shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400. So the cost price of 80 articles is rupees 2400. This means that the cost price of one article is rupees 2400 by 80, which is rupees 30. So the cost price of one article is rupees 30. Now we're also told that the shopkeeper sells these articles at a profit of 16%. So the profit is 16%. The profit per article is 16% of rupees 30. So let's find this profit now. 16% of rupees 30 is 16 by 100 into rupees 30. 16 into 30 is 480. 480 by 100 is 4.8. So the profit is rupees 4.8 per, or rupees 4 rupees 80 paisa per article is the profit. And this means that the selling price it will be the selling price. So let's write it as selling price per article will be the cost price per article plus the profit per article. Okay, and this is equal to rupees 30, the cost price, plus profit per article is, we calculated it as 4 rupees 80 paisa. So 30 plus 4 rupees 80 paisa is rupees 34 and 80 paisa. So the selling price per article is 34 rupees and 80 paisa. Now let's arrive at the same answer using approach 2, where we will find the cost price and selling price of all articles first and then the selling price of one article. So once again we have the cost price of 80 articles is rupees 2400. Now let's find the profit for all the 80 articles. So the total profit will be 16% of rupees 2400. So let's find this value. 16% of 2400 is 16 by 100 into rupees 2400, and this is equal to 2400 by 100 is 24. 24 into 16 is 384. So the profit is 384 over all the 80 articles. This means that the selling price, the total selling price of 80 articles will be rupees 2400, the cost price, plus rupees 384, which is the profit. So rupees 2400 plus 384 is rupees 2784. So this is the selling price of 80 articles, and from here we can find the selling price per article. So the selling price per article, so there are 80 articles, so the selling price per article will be rupees 2784 divided by 80. And if you carry out this division, you will get the same answer for the selling price per article, which is rupees 34 and 80 paise. So the answer is that the selling price of one article is rupees 34 and 80 paise.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.